Oh, we're live. Finally, we're live. I had to change my location. I had to come upstairs. Man, network is really, really, really great. We are live. 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 Network is great. Let me know in the chat box if you can hear me. We are live. Going straight to business. We are far behind of time. Okay. We're going straight to business. If you can hear me, please let me know on the chat box. Good morning. I had to change my. I had to come upstairs. Maybe it's where I was staying. The network is. Can you hear me? Okay, great. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, great. So let me share my screen. We are far behind of time. Quickly. Um, I will give announcements after the analysis. Okay. I will give announcements after the. So straight to business. Straight to business. Straight to business. So let's do a review of what happened yesterday on Euro USD, gold, GJ, on our pace, right? So let me start with GJ. Okay. Now, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So while I was studying price action from Monday, I thought, okay, wow, this is just purely market structure, purely price action. Okay, this is 15 minutes. There is a demand zone on 15 minutes because this is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure on 15 minutes. Okay, it's so clear. Break of structure. So we have higher low and what? Higher high. Remember, everything we do here cut across every instrument. Everything we are doing here cut across every instrument. So just pick the instrument that resonates with you and apply. Okay? Everything we do here cut across every single instrument. So this is higher low and what? Higher high. Okay? Um so Monday, look at what happened on Monday. So higher low, higher high. This break of structure and also the external break of structure. This internal break of structure, whilst this is external break of structure. So you can see we have two break of structure. All right. We have internal break of structure, right? Then external break of structure. You can call this change of trend. So let's call this change of trend, not really break of structure because so internally we were having lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Then we saw that we had a higher high, okay, change of trend. Then now broke out the structure externally. So what do we expect? A retracement back to what? To the demand zone, right? So on 15 minutes, there was a demand zone waiting for. I drew this demand zone in the previous class, if you remember, right? This is a demand zone here. Look at this demand zone here, very clear. All right. So on Monday, we had a sell on Monday. We had a sell on Monday because we had at the premium. We had to pull back. So those that are day, like I said, day traders are flexible. For day traders, we are looking out for sell and buy opportunities, right? So your own is just to know, are we in the premium zone or the discount zone. Our premium zone we sell, our discount zone we buy. So whilst we are pulling back, we look out for sell opportunity. Look out for what? Sell opportunity. We are still following DLC. We are still following DLC. So I must see direction, location, then confirmation. So we saw here that during the GJ, look at the direction. This is it came here, it put out of our. So just look for sell opportunities anywhere. Once you see a pullback, once you see a run, right? Wait for a pullback, confirmation, sell. Want to see a pullback, sell, pullback, sell. So it depends on you how you want to take on the sell. Okay, want to see a pullback, you sell. A pullback, you sell. So when we sold, we got to the demand zone. At this point, we will stop selling because we are now in demand zone. So Tuesday, look at Tuesday now. Tuesday we bought. When I studied this buy on Tuesday, I saw that it respected our Asian range concept. Look at Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday respected Asian range concept. And for Tuesday, we are already at demand zone, right? That's one location for confluence. And at demand zone, we expect to see a buy, right? So when the Asian price action formed, we had a ranging Asian section. What do we expect? We expect Asian low to be taken. We're already on the demand zone. So it took out Asian low into demand and gave us a candlestick confirmation for a buy. If you're in your 5 minutes time frame, you see that we are going to have morning star. This is a pure confirmation for a buy. Look at it, very clear. Look at morning star pattern, drop, base, rally inside our demand. This is a confirmation for a buy, right? Location is demand zone. Confirmation is this candlestick pattern. It has taken out Asian low into demand, and we now see a confirmation for a buy. If you can see this clearly, let me see on the chat box. If you can see what I'm showing you, if you can see what I just showed you now on JBP JPY, and it's very clear. Asian range took out Asian low into demand. On that demand zone, we had a bullish candlestick pattern, drop, base, rally. We enter. Very clear. Good. Very clear. Thank you. Very clear. Very clear. Very clear. It must be clear. There's no, we are not doubting. We are not saying we know. We have confirmation. It must be clear. If it's not clear, just leave it. So your entry, and it happened at 8:15. Remember, I said we trade this pair during London and Tokyo, right? So GBP is the London section. So we are preparing to enter London, and this is 8:15. The confirmation came out at what? 8:15. As a day trader, you are interested in the first 2 hours. As a day trader, if you are trading London section, your trading window is 8 to 11. That's your first trading session. Once it's 8 to 11, you are done with the first section. If you do not see opportunities, come back at New York from 1 to 4. So yeah, yesterday, Wednesday, yeah, we had this confirmation. So 8 o'clock, 8:15 rather. So you'll be preparing to trade for the next 2 hours. So just set your buy, and most times DJ gives you 1 to 5 because DJ is a very volatile instrument, right? Your stop loss is below, so you're targeting 1 to 5. Your take profit, first take profit at Asian high. First take profit, Asian high. First take profit is what? Asian high. Then you can now say, okay, let me now do 1 to 5 as a general, or by 11 o'clock I am done. This happened at 11 o'clock. You can see exactly 11 o'clock, price, right, got to our Asian high. Exactly. So you'll have done 1 to 3 by the end of your London trading window. That's 3%. Risk 1% to make 3%, or risk 0.5% to make 1.5%, depending on your risk appetite. If you are doing 1 to 5, you also got 1 to 5 on your trade for GJ, right? So that's what happened on Wednesday. Okay. Then because Wednesday was a buy day, and I told us in the mouth of Asian range and previous daily candle, the daily bias is what established. Now let's go to the daily candle. Look at what I did. For Tuesday, I mapped out the previous. Can you see this box we are seeing here is previous day candle from the New York beginning to the New York end, right? You can see previous daily low and close. That means the previous day closed bearish, right? Previous day closed bearish. So I marked my daily range. Now look at what happened. After it broke out of the previous daily candle, look at the precise breakout and retest. You can see. So Asian wind has given us our own buy, Abby. Now what look at what above the previous day candle. Look at the market structure. How it's forming higher highs, higher lows. You only just to wait for pullback and what? Buy. Pullback and what? Buy. Pullback and what? Buy. Market location confirmation. Look at how price sat on my candle, my previous daily range. Look at different buy. You can buy here, you come back again, buy here, come back again, buy here. You're just buying, coming back, buying, coming back, buying, coming back. You can enter like 3 positions because we are trending. The most beautiful time to trade is in a trending market. Once market is trending, you will make a lot of money. Once market is trending, just be smiling. Once it pull backs and you see confirmation, buy. It pull backs, confirmation, buy. Your stop loss is going to be at the structural low because we don't expect price to come and give us lower low. No, why? Because we are in a uptrend market structure. This happens over and over. This is a pattern, it doesn't change. And look at the day was what? Bullish. We were bullish for the day. Why? Because in the mount of Asian range and previous daily candle, the daily bias is what? Established. Throughout Wednesday, that was yesterday, we were bullish. Can you see now? We are bullish because the day has been established from our two edges, Asian range and previous daily candle. Is it clear? Is this clear? It has to be very, very, very clear. Is GJ clear? So next time, you know what to do. Okay, you know what to do. And Asian range applies to all instruments also because it is assumed that during the Asian section, the market concept is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. So during the first trading session, the concept is that the market will accumulate rather. Okay, the concept of the daily agenda. Let me write that out in the chat box. The concept of what? Daily agenda. The concept of daily agenda in any instrument, any market, the concept of daily agenda is accumulation. That's the first phase, accumulation. Then the next phase is manipulation. 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 The next phase is distribution. Distribution is pullback. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback, close of day. And everything still boils down to DLCO. We are trying to connect the dots together. This agenda is just the market phase. What we are looking for in the market is direction, location, confirmation. So whilst the market is doing is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, blah blah blah, you are focused on direction, location, confirmation. What is the direction? That is what? Is it going up or is coming down? Where is the location? Where am I pulling back into? A discount, a premium, blah blah blah. Then when it gets to my location, what is my confirmation? Bullish candle, bearish candle. Simple. Simple. All right. Great. Let's go to Euro USD. Let's do a summary of GJ now. Okay. So Monday was bearish, Tuesday was bullish, Wednesday was bullish. In fact, Tuesday and Wednesday did the same thing. Look at, I just showed you Wednesday, Abi. Tuesday also did the same thing. Tuesday took out Asian low into demand because the demand for 15 minutes was this one, right? Then Tuesday created a demand for Wednesday. Tuesday created a demand for Wednesday. So Wednesday now was when I showed you that he did the Asian low into demand. Tuesday also did Asian low into demand. That's the first one. You can see accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Look at it here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Then what? It pulled back. End of day. What happened? Wednesday, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback to close the day. You can see. All right. So this does not happen every single day. Nothing is 100%. All right. But at least you would see in a week, you should see even not one or two. Okay. There is nothing that is 100% in the market. I'm not sharing my screen. Someone is calling me. I believe I'm not sharing my screen. I know. network. Sorry. Or network. Okay. This network, don't show us Shege Pro Max. Network, don't worry, I'm soon going to Dubai. Liquidity, I'm going to, when I go to Dubai, this network issue, he stop. Dubai is calling me. Can you see my screen now? Yeah, yeah. Dubai. This network is frustrating. Now all of us they go Dubai. No, some people have to remain now. Some people have to remain and stand to see the affairs of the country. Okay, so we'll bring you reports from over there. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen now. I'm still receiving some calls. Yeah, we can see your screen now. Okay. Great. All right. Yeah. So I was showing us how from Tuesday. I was saying that even if you don't, even if you don't see this agenda every single week, at least 2 or 3 times in a week, and mind you, you don't need to trade every day. Oh. In fact, I said last class on my 10K account for my clients, my 10K does, I've made 1% for the first 1 week, right? And if I'm trading $1 million account, 1% or 2%, I'm done for the month. If that were to be a $1 million account, I am done for the month because I just need to make 1% or 2% in a month. So if I've done 1% in a week, I have done well. So you don't need to trade every day. You don't need to trade every movement. You just need the ones that are very high setup that okay, everything has clicked. So you can just ignore some market movement if you are confused because you just need 1 or 2 trades in a week or in a month sef to be good. Do you understand? So please, right? So I was saying that the accumulation, manipulation, blah 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 might not happen exactly every single day. But when they happen, Baba, take advantage. Right? We saw it very clearly that on Tuesday and Wednesday, accumulation, manipulation, distribution happened clearly. So there are some days that this movement will come. They will come, even if it's once in a week or twice in a month. You at least you are going to make 3% or 2% of your capital. Do you understand? So it is 90% waiting, 10% execution. 90% what? Waiting. The trade that will make you a millionaire or Asian. The trades that will make you is the ones that you wait 90%. Do you understand? The trades that will make you blow. Because I know all of us want to blow, Abi. Okay, you want to blow. That trade that will make you blow is the ones that you wait 90% of the time, then you execute 10% because you just strike. So look at what happened Tuesday, like I said. Accumulation, it was very clear. Asian section accumulated. Before London Open manipulated the Asian low. Then London distributed. Okay, London was distributed. Then at the end of the day, we was pulled back. Clear. On Tuesday too, Asian accumulated. Okay, Asian low into demand, distributed London and New York. Right, then end of day we what pull back. So Tuesday and Wednesday e don soft. In fact, we are done for the week because this one gave this is like 5%, 3%. That's 8%. 8% in 1 week. You are done for the month. You don't need to trade again. You don't need to trade again with this kind of setup. And the beauty is this setup will happen, it will repeat itself over and over again. So don't, if you miss this one, don't worry. Okay? Patterns repeat themselves. All right? So that's what so and we all see that everything that is happening inside the internal, right? All these are happening inside what? This higher low to higher high. So that's why I say day traders also make money. You every type of trader are successful. Day traders, scalpers, swing traders, they all have their own day. Imagine a day trader has made 8%. It's done for the month now. But a swing trader does not have opportunity here. You can see now, a swing trader does not have any business inside this internal trend. In fact, he has already entered here. Maybe he has entered at this place. So he's waiting for you to come towards this higher high. He will enter here and take profit here. That's a swing trader. Because when price has pulled back, okay, his entries at the discounts, then he enters and hold it till he gets towards the higher high. Do you understand? So every type of trading style, okay, works. Just discover the type of person you are. If you are if you have free time for screen, like you have access to screen, okay, you don't have much work on your hands, you can do day trading because you are not busy. But if you are busy, you can adopt swing trading. Are we together? If I'm making sense, if it's clear up to this point, let me see some engagement so I'll know that we are together. Are we together? Are we together? Making sense, making sense, making sense, making sense. So I want to do GJ today, then go to EU yesterday and today. Okay. Thank you. Clearly making sense. All right. So let's now interpret GJ for today. Okay. So as a day trader, our two head is what? Asian range and what? Previous daily candle. Okay, so let me delete all this stuff. I am done with DJ. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thank you. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. So just take off all this because we are done with all of this, right? So we are focusing on what today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now Thursday, let's go to our daily candle and let us highlight the previous daily candle. All right. How did yesterday was what? Wednesday. How did Wednesday close? Bullish. How did Wednesday close? Bullish. So what do? We mark out what? High and what? Close. Okay. Just to know the range strategy. Like I've said, it's not a strategy. It's just a location to know this how yesterday closed. That means if you are trading above this particular range, that means you are going to buy again. That's what it means. If per above this high and close, it means we are going to what? Continue buying. That's the essence of previous daily. Okay, I'm done with that. I come to my 15 minutes to adjust into what? The New York open. New York is 1 o'clock, right? And New York closes what? 9. Let's just put it at the end of the day. Currently, we are trading below the previous day, right? Currently, we are trading below the previous day. Okay, we can't conclude yet because London has not opened yet. Okay, let's now mark our Asian high and Asian low. This is for day traders. This is for what? Day traders. If you're a swing trader, don't worry. I have strategy for day trader, for swing trader, and for scalpers. Okay, I'm called professor for forex for a reason. Professor, yes. A professor is one that let me just joke a little. In school, I am known for this, Iggy way with a jack, they read anything readable. So I now told myself, academics no go make us the billionaire now. So why not channel the energy that you use in jacking, reading books, studying at a jack for Africa? And they call me prof in school. So why not just bring that energy from academics into forex and we jack anything jackable in forex? Just pick anything in forex and jack. So I told myself, because of my community, I will pick every trading style and study their characteristics. So for scalpers, because I have seen scalpers that are successful, I have seen day traders that are successful, I have seen swing traders that are successful, but they have their different characteristics, different strategies. You understand? So personally, as being a coach, is wisdom for me to, unless if I want to just only teach swing traders or day traders or scalpers, but having a mixed crowd, I have to understand how each of these trading style works and also trade them myself because of you guys. If not, I will just maybe stick to swing trading or part of day trading. You understand? So I've discovered that this is one of the edges we use for day trading. All right, that's why I do this. So there's also a style for swing traders. Do you understand? So for day trading, Asian high, Asian low, done. Previous day candle, done. So I'm waiting for what? Manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback in line with my direction, location, and confirmation. Okay, we are still bullish for the week, oh, mind you. You can see that we are still bullish, right? So if I want to see a buy day for today, if I want to see a buy day for today, what do we expect? We expect a manipulation below Asian low. Am I teaching, guys? Am I teaching? We expect a what? Manipulation, just like Tuesday and Wednesday happened. We expect Asian low to be manipulated into demand. We can see demand behind. We can see demand below too, right? There are demand zones that are resting below. Your job is just to what? Mark out your demand zones and wait for price to get there. Okay. Then if you see a confirmation for a buy, you buy. All right. That's if you want to see a what? A buy day. So we just wait now because we are still bullish in the structure. What we do is just wait. This demand was created from Wednesday. Okay. So if I go to 5 minutes, I will see more demand. You can see demand also at this very low points. Demand is here at the extreme, but this is the closest demand. Okay, we want to look at the closest demand, not too far. These are the closest demand zones. All right, this is 15 minutes. Let me go to 15 minutes. 5 minutes is too. Okay, yeah. 5 minutes is too noisy. I think 15 minutes is fine. 15 minutes is fine. So we just mark location and wait. All right, we just mark locations and what and wait. So this is what they're expecting for GJ, because we have to take out. Remember, we have to take out this higher high. Okay, because we are still bullish. Take out this higher high because we are still bullish. Okay, the intention is to what? Take out this higher high. That's the intention, to take out this higher high. To take out this what? Higher high. Yeah. Okay. So that's it, guys. So we wait for a what? Manipulation and what? A confirmation, right? Then we know if you are buying or not. Let's go to Euro USD. Can I move on, guys? Can I move on to Euro USD? Knowledge is power. Okay, now let me give a little bit of correction to that. Knowledge is potential power. Okay. Um, when you apply the knowledge, that's the wisdom. That's where you now see power in action. Okay, move there fast. Okay, let's move. Let's move to Euro USD. Fast, because we have Euro USD traders and we have to trade today. But you know there is news today by 1:30, so everywhere is going to be noisy. Okay. Now let's start. Let's start. This is Monday. Let's go back there. You can see that this retracement here was what we drew. If you remember, we drew this line from our higher time frame. Remember our higher time frame. We said that was a what? Equilibrium. That's why it's not always keep your higher time frame. What is it called? Locations. We drew this when the week started. We said we have the overall bullish from here to here, right? And we drew 50%, which we are currently. So exactly where on Tuesday, was it Tuesday or Monday? Yeah, Monday, Tuesday was bullish. On Tuesday, when price got there, it started dropping. It is not magic because higher time frame weekly is already giving us a premium, equilibrium on weekly time frame. So on 15 minutes, that same location is respected because higher time frame has told us that boy, we are already in what? In a equilibrium from weekly. Then even this 15 minutes break of structure still gave us the same confirmation. Watch out. This is break of structure, right? Now let's now do the range from where? From lower high to lower low. This is lower high now. This is lower high, lower high, and what's lower low. Direction, right, guys? Direction. What's the next thing you do? What is the retreat, the pullback? And we have two pullback locations, the 50% and what? The premium. Now let's do our Fibonacci. Watch. From this to what? This. Can you see that exactly 50%? So when you have two 50% weekly, and the same weekly is giving you 15 minutes, abba. That's a confirmation. When a weekly zone is giving a location at the same time, that same zone is a 15 minutes same zone. That's a confirmation to sell. And best believe it will break out 0%, and that's what it did. So it broke out the 0% into 27 what percent. You can see, okay, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. You can see that I've already put my take profit 1 and take profit 2 at 27 and so that means we are expecting more sales into what? The overall demand here in higher time frame. So it means we are expecting more sales. That's what it means, because weekly has given us we are bearish. This guy here has given us that we are bearish. Nothing again want to happen from standpoint of market structure. Okay, from standpoint of what? So Monday and Tuesday gave us that bullish momentum into equilibrium. Then Wednesday, Tuesday rather, Tuesday started the sell. Now look at yesterday, very clear. Look at yesterday, very clear. We are already bearish, abi. Direction is bearish. Now look at what Asian session did. This is called continuation trending Asian range. If you have watched the Asian range video, we have two types of Asian range. We have the ranging Asian range and the trending Asian range. We have the ranging Asian range and the trending. We have the ranging, or we call it consolidating, consolidation, and what? And trending. And trending. Okay. So for a trending Asian range, we don't expect Asian low or Asian high to be taken. We expect that there should be a continuation of trend, break of structure. So for example, I don't expect in this range now Asian high to be taken for a sell. No, because it is trending. I expect normal break of structure. That means on my Asian range, I would see a break of structure and come back to my pullback, and I continue selling. And that's what exactly happened yesterday. So what do we do? Same thing. Fibonacci what? High to what? To low. And did it come to our 71%? Yes, it did. Was there a confirmation for a sell? Yes, there was. Very clear. You can see. And it came to what? To my take profit 1 and 2. Look at the tip of it 2. It came to the extreme take profit, which is this, right? Overall take profit. That was yesterday. Now today, what do we expect today? Today is likely going to have a manipulation because our Asian range is consolidating. Okay, there is likely going to be a what? A manipulation. Likely, I said likely. We still follow price action. This Asian high, Asian low, because the Asian range is what? Consolidating, is not trending. This is 9 pips for Asian. That's too poor. Look at yesterday was what? Yesterday was 16 pips. Alright, yesterday was 16 pips. Okay, but today is what? 9 pips. That means the range for Asia is what? Consolidating. All right, so we expect some form of manipulation, all right, outside the Asian high to target some supply levels up. Then we see a sell. Okay, or it comes to my take profit 1, comes back up, and what? We sell. But we are sell biased. We are sell biased. So let's go to daily to mark our previous day high and close. Is that clear? Is it clear so far? Because we are bearish, guys. We are bearish. Look at, we are selling. We still have, according to market structure, we are selling. According to market structure, we are what? We are selling. Good one. Look at, according to market structure, we are selling. Good sell. So even the news today, even the CPI news today is believed to continue the sell. All things being equal. All things being equal. Yeah, all things being equal, we are expecting that today is going to continue the sell because market structure prevails. But we still gonna pay attention. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Our daily candle is going to be our last savior. Our daily candle is going to be our last savior. After all the manipulation happens, if I just see pere, that means after the, if by case I see this guy go up, once I just see this guy just come back like this and give me candlestick bearish, I'm on fire sell. Fire the sell because we're already trading below previous day candle. Fire the sell to TP2. To yeah. Fire it here. Fire. But use proper risk management. So don't say don't say because I say it's going to sell. Right? Still use proper risk management, but at least let it be worth it. Because this guy is going to drop down. Okay, it's going to drop down. So I'm done for my bias. I'm done for my analysis. So I just wait for what my manipulation and confirmation to sell. Okay, so let's follow market structure again. Let's be sure we know what we are doing. On 15 minutes, where's the recent lower high, lower lows, blah 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 break of structure? Where's the recent? Where's the recent? This is lower high, so let's mark it. Let's mark it. Let's mark it. This is lower high. This is lower high. Lower high. This is break of structure, right? Very clear. Break of structure. Okay. So this is our lower low. That's to be clear. Oh. Read market structure. That's the first principle. Read market structure. Read market structure. So as far as we are concerned, this is our range. Lower high, lower low. Everything here is internal because this is the break of structure. Okay. So CPI is a very, very massive spike in news. So in case we have spikes, Asian high taken into what? See supply here. So let me draw out all the supply zones above Asian high. Let me draw out all the supply zones above Asian high. So these are my supply zones above Asian high. Supply zones above Asian high for a sell. Okay. Can we see? So this is, yeah, 15 minutes, right? This is section liquidity. That's New York. Um, that's New York liquidity. Okay. All right. So just draw out locations. Okay, this is lower high. So lower high is fine. So these are the liquidity zones and the supply zones that we expect price to buy into, probably to what? To sell. So I have this recorded. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. Clear. So lastly, let's go to DXY as a wrap up because I have to do other things. DXY. Any question? If you have questions, drop your questions. Any question? Anything you want me to treat? Anything? Let me see. Um, okay. Let's go to while we DXY is dollar index, is the baba of them all. So let's do back tests. Same. Let's do back tests. Let's see what happened Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let's mark Monday. This is Monday. So let's know the trend for the week. Let's know the trend for the week from Monday, Tuesday. The trend for the week Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the trend for the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, and I know the reason why some people don't trade Monday and Tuesday because they want to know the trend for the week. Because Monday and Tuesday might be manipulation. So, what happens daily also happens weekly. So, when it is daily intraday sessions, each sections give us the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. When it's a weekly agenda, each day gives us accumulation, manipulation. So for the weekly agenda, Monday might be what? Accumulation. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Wow. This is so good. So good. For the weekly agenda, manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback for weekly agenda. So Monday might be what? The accumulation. Monday. Tuesday might be manipulation. Oh, it's so powerful. Guys. Wednesday to Thursday would be what? Distribution. Then Friday, pullback. What have I just said now? What have I just said? What have I just said now? Daily agenda. For daily agenda, it is the session that give us the accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. Agenda, it is the day by day that gives us accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. Hi! Who got what I just said? Daily agenda and weekly agenda. This master class already. This be this beyond this beyond market analysis. Oh. And this is what my mentees pay for. I'm giving us for free. My mentees make no vex. So it's always like that. Whenever forex enter me, I start pouring out from the wells. Are we on this call? Are we on this call? I'm not seeing engagement. So am I sharing my screen? Are we together? Yes, exactly. Daily agenda reproduces the weekly agenda. You have preached, you have taught. Come and take up the stage, Mr. Gabriel. Come and take up the stage. Let me make you the host. So you come and teach us. Daily agenda reproduces the weekly agenda. 100%. So for the day traders, it is the intraday sections that gives us the accumulation and stuffs. While for the weekly agenda, it is the day by day. Oh, this so good. Oh, this so good. This so good. So let's go back to the chart. So let's look at the daily and weekly agenda now for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. God punish poverty and his father-in-law. We are going to milk the markets like well. When I say milk the market, I mean we will milk it consistently. Just focus on the knowledge, oh my guys. Just don't worry. Give yourself time. When you are done with the knowledge, first you know that somebody has known me. So don't worry about don't worry. Give yourself 1 more month, 2 more months, 3 more months from now. Give yourself time. Just relax, chill. Oh my god. Okay, back to business, guys. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, so look at what happened. We have seen that accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This is it. This is it. How do I know it's manipulation? Because this low was taken. You can see this low was taken as a manipulation. Okay. Then what now happened? We now broke the eye. Hey, can we see what I'm saying, guys? Can we see what I'm saying, guys? So this was the so Monday accumulation, early Tuesday, that's the Asian on Tuesday, manipulation. This is very clear. Accumulation Monday, early Asian section, we took out this low. That's the manipulation. Then Tuesday London distributed into Wednesday. My God. My God. This is so good. This is deliverance. Is my battery low? This is myself. I am chilled. Me, myself, and I am chilled. So imagine Asian section Tuesday as manipulated, and we are currently distributing into Wednesday. You are going to hold this buy. You are going to hold. So that means if you are doing US example, let me see my screen. If you are doing USD for example, we are doing pairs that has USD in the base. You are going to hold the buy Tuesday and Wednesday because DXY has shown you that Monday has given you accumulation and Tuesday morning Asian has manipulated the low from Monday. So the next is what? Distribution phase. The next phase after manipulation is what? Distribution. So you go hold that buy strong. You go hold the buy strong. Oh, I have to buy myself 1 month and one NSC. Oh my God, my God, my God, my God, my God. I need to buy myself this morning 1 month and one NSC this morning. Accumulation. So Tuesday, manipulation and distribution. Am I sharing my screen? So Wednesday, we are still distributing. Wednesday, we are still what? Distributing. We are just pulling back, pull back, pull back because we are what? Distributing. So most likely Thursday will still be distribution. All right, so we are going to set for that now. Am I still sharing my screen? Are we together? So please, if there's one thing you're going to take from this live section, not sharing my screen, is what? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. Go and back test. Go and do your back test. That's the assignment now. Go and do your back test and see the agenda. Okay. After DLC, what should be ringing in your head? Manipulation, distribution, pullback. After DLC, next thing that should be ringing in your head is manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. Accumulation, type on the chat box, everybody. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. I'm sharing my screen already. I'm sharing my screen already. I'm sharing my screen already. Everybody type accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. Am I not sharing my screen? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. AMDP. Okay, let me share again. I'll share again. I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, confirm. Everybody type on the chat box. Everybody, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. My mentorship is next week. Next week was that Tuesday. You guys are in for you are in soup. If you are not in the mentorship yet, go and borrow money because I might not continue this. Okay, I hope I continue this every day. But mentorship is next week. If you are not in the go and borrow money. I've given discount for paying 2 times or 3 times. So it's now $100. You can pay instrumentally $50 2 times or 3 times, depending on how you want to pay it. If you are not in the mentorship group, go and borrow money and go and join. You understand? Very important. Unless you want to just depend on, I'll still be giving free stuff. No, it does depend on the free value. But of course, if this is free, what will the mentorship students be enjoying? Imagine. This is not everything. You think I'm giving you everything. There is more from where it is coming from. This is just a tip. I'm just sharing a tip of an iceberg. This is not everything. You understand? So I'm just doing it for those that are mentorship. So if you are not in the mentorship, once again, I urge you to what? And also, if you want to also sponsor somebody, maybe you have friends that knows that can learn and have money, refer them. Okay, I'll start giving commission for those that refer. So if you have anyone that wants, I can make it 10%. So if the person pays, say we have 10%, that's $10, just to encourage you for bringing the person. Do you understand? So I'm also going to implement that. So spread the gospel, spread the gospel of forex, spread the gospel of ProFx. Everybody, I'm not seeing accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. We have six on the call. I've only seen 3 persons. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. I've seen Gabriel's own, I've seen Kratos, I've seen Chidex, I've seen Frank. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I've told you what to do already for today. So if you are trading USD base pairs, buying. Okay. If you are trading USD counter pairs, you are selling. I've given you the signal already. All right. If you are trading USD base pairs, information to buy, unless if market structure changes, right? Unless if market structure changes. Whilst if you are trading USD base pairs, we are selling unless if market structure changes. Any question? I think we are good to go. Yeah. Laurel Wisdom from Brooks. Who is Laurel Wisdom? What's her name? Student? Are you my student? Are you? Where do you from? Hmm. Laurel Wisdom from Brooks. What's your name? We are done already. We are done already. Okay. We are done already. So I'm taking questions. Okay. Oh, Emmanuel. Okay. Okay. Mr. Emmanuel. Oh, okay. 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 All right. Okay. Great. Yesterday we had the first workshop. I no see Mr. Albert. I no see Mr. Dennis. I no see, of course, some people are working. Mr. Emmanuel is working, Ebu is working. Frank told me he was busy. Okay. So let's try as much as possible to show up. But if work will not allow you, no problem. Right. I think are going to what be available. Invite people, please. So announcements. I sent a link to the I sent a set of new videos to the group this morning. I mean, I never saw it on personal development. I sent a new set of 5 videos this morning. Okay, I want to believe we have all listened to the last 5. Today is the 10th. Today is the 10th of 100 days, right? And it's a very great milestone. Having spent 10 days, that means we have um, 9 more 10 days to spend. So we have done well. To be consistent for the first 10 days, you have done well. You have done well. You have done well. So we always celebrate milestones. Okay, we celebrate milestones. So for the first 10 days, we thank God. We have blah blah blah. Going into the next 10 days. So it's item. That's why I sent a new set of videos. So the next 5 videos are on the group. Please, if you have not watched the last 5 videos, ensure you watch it. It's compulsory. It's compulsory. It's part of our first 20 phase, which is goal setting and strategy development. Okay? If you don't get this foundation, man, you struggle. Oh. The first 20 days is to build your foundation strong. After 20 days, what's the next phase? After 1 to 20, which is foundation phase, what's the next phase? You can type down in the chat box. After the 1 to 20, which is foundation phase, that is the goal setting, blah blah blah. What's the next phase? 20 days. What's the next phase? Okay, I've seen it. I don't know who's seen it also. Who has seen it? We have 4 key phases. We have foundation phase 1 to 20. Then we have execution phase 21 to what 60. Scaling phase 61 to 80. And mastery phase 81 to 100. What I want to achieve for these 100 days or for my trading career. After these 20 days, you must have built a routine for yourself as a day trader or a swing trader. That means when I scheme. What did I say, guys? $1 million. It's done already. Oh. It's not a wish. That's the goal. $1 million. So I'm going to show us the blueprints I am running with. How you can run with this blueprint of $1 million portfolio in 6 to 8 months, or let's say 6 to 12 months. Let me be realistic. In 6 months to 12 months, how you can sit on $1 million trading portfolio for yourself or your clients if you start trading for people. Okay, so in the scaling phase, I'm going to talk about increasing trade volume, scaling up, automation, and portfolio management during the scaling phase. While the mastery phase talk about our emotional control, mastering. That's we will focus more on trading psychology, right? Then we talk about long-term wealth building, how we can diversify our wealth in forex into real estate and other things. So, any question, guys? I will send the key phrase to us again on the group. Question. Wrapping up. I think the network is off again. Mm, okay. All right. So if no more questions, then we call it a wrap for today. Thank you for joining. So let's go to the charts. Let's trade. Let's um, study price action. Right. So Yeah.